is that? That's spinning around, whatever the hell it is. Maybe I snagged him? What is that? Oh, a perch bit at it and he missed. And then I snagged him in the side. Whoa, whoa. There he is, a nice perch. Let's see if I can get him. Ah, hoo-hoo, that's a cool one. He swiped at it. He swiped at it, and then I hit him in the side probably when it came out. Get my pliers. Oh, fish ain't gonna be able to get him. That probably hurts like a beauty. There he is. Right there. It's a beautiful fish. Let him go. Fish, but I'm in the trees. Hope I can get him. Oh yeah. Ooh, I thought my equipment was gonna be gone for sure. It's a crappie. Right there. You like that beauty. Let's let him go. See if we could catch another crappie. There it is. Oh, he's a fighter, this one. What the heck? He's darting like crazy. Woohoo! Oh, good one. Nice. Nice one. How the heck did he get that? The hell? Trying to see how the hook went in him. Oh, there it is. There he is. Beauty right there. Let him go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This one's a nice one. Oh yeah, he's pulling pretty good. Oh yeah. Whoa, he's a fighter. Oh yeah. A nice one. Oh, come on. Oh, that's a nice one. Look at that. Got it good too. I need my pliers. There it is. And there he is. A nice fish. Look at that. Go. Go, Crappie, go. There's something. It's another crappie. Another crappie. Right there, ladies and gentlemen. Pliers. There she is. Beauty. There we go. Nothing. One more, come on, one more. Alright guys, this is it for me. I'm worn out. Hope you enjoyed the catches. If you did, leave me a like, comment. Also, subscribe. There's another last crappie and I'm out of here. Appreciate you all, as always. PH. Take a gander at that beauty. And that's the last of my catches. Looks like something got him on the tail over there at one time. But anyhow, he's a beauty. Let's let him go. I'll see you later, guys. Thanks for watching.